a little bit of progress. I've incorporated an LCD display. A little work to do on the initialization there. That's I've got an Arduino here, actually a copy of an Arduino from somebody. Got a little breadboard. It's got my secret sauce on there. I've got the rotary encoder that little board that I designed with some support components on it, and nice dual inline package connection for it. It's a RGB LED built into it, and a push button. That's not doing anything right now other than it just turns red in one direction, green the other. That's just temporary, just for troubleshooting. This other one is a substitute for another one. I've only built one of these, so these are actually, they came with the Arduino, so they're little boards that you can learn how to use these things. So this is a RGB LED, which is similar to this one, only it's discrete, it's by itself, it's kind of big. And there's a rotary encoder which incorporates not only the rotary part of this thing, but also the push button. It's got a push button here, and it's got a push button. So what happens here is I've written this code so that as I change the rotary encoder, sometimes it works, there we go, it selects a different patch for my guitar. And sometimes it goes up, sometimes it goes down. I got a problem there that I have to work on because it's using a polling instead of interrupts or hardware, which are superior to the way I'm doing it. But this is the easy way because I'm using their application notes. So I would just pick this thing. Let's just pick one like no. How about, let's keep going. Let's do telebridge rectifier. So if I just press the button here, so what's happening, the top row is the patch that I want. The bottom row is the one that's active. So I can sort of queue up what I want to change it to, and then when I press the button, it will simultaneously update the display, and it should have changed, and it did. Let's go back and change it to something else, just to prove it. Okay, it's let's change this thing to how about a Marshall? You should just hear that just go noisy in a minute as I press that. Pressing, and you hear that static just jump up. There it is. It works.